Hello everyone. So this is Sia from Trust to Pay and today we are going to talking about some disputes. So let's go ahead with the video. Disputes between freelancers and clients can be stressful. Missed deadlines, unclear requirements or payment delays. Does this sound familiar to you? But what if there was a way to deal with these problems fairly and easily? So welcome to today's video. We'll talk about the main reasons disputes happen and how to solve them. The common causes of disputes are: first, unclear project scope. Imagine this. You're working on a project and feeling good about it. But then the client says, this is not what I want. Why does this happen? It's because the project goals and timelines were not clearly defined. And the result? Frustration, wasted time, and endless back and forth with the clients. And obviously, disputes. Second, missed deadlines. We've all heard it before. I need some more time, please. For freelancers, unexpected problems like technical issues can delay the work. But for clients, a missed deadline can mess up their entire schedule. When deadlines are not met, disputes are almost guaranteed. Third, payment issues. Let's talk about money, because when payments go wrong, everything else goes wrong too. Clients might delay payments, leaving freelancers worried about when they'll get paid. On the other hand, freelancers might ask for advance payments, which can make clients uncomfortable if the trust has not been built yet. 4. Unmet standards. This happens when the client thinks that the work is not good enough, while the freelancers think that they have delivered what was actually agreed upon. The result? Blame, disappointment, and sometimes even the project being left incomplete, and also leading to disputes. How Trust to Pay solves these problems? This is where Trust to Pay comes in. Our platform does not just help you manage projects and payments, it ensures disputes are handled fairly and transparently. Here's how our 3-step dispute resolution system works. First step, escalation. If there's a problem, either the client or the freelancer can raise the issue by submitting a request. Our system collects all the important details like the project plan, messages, and agreements to understand what went wrong. Second step, mediation. Our experts step in to help both the sides. They review the project details, proof, and then work with the clients and freelancers to find a fair solution. The goal is to resolve through discussion and compromise. Step 3, final arbitration. If no solution is reached during mediation, CADA steps in. They make a final decision based on the contract and the evidence provided. This decision is fair, binding, and saves both the parties from the stress of legal battles. Don't let disputes ruin your projects. Join the thousands of freelancers and clients using Trust to Pay to build trust and get work done smoothly. And that's it for today's video. We'll meet you very soon with a new video. Till then, subscribe to our channel and follow us on our social media. The links are in the description below.